Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Outcome of search. Once a search is done, there could be three possible outcomes to that search. One, it could be a favorable outcome where you communicate to the client that the invention is patentable, or it could be a negative outcome where you communicate to the client that the invention may not be patentable. You do not say that the invention is never patentable, or you do not say that the invention cannot be patented. You always cautiously describe your report, because as we said, there is no such thing as a perfect patentability search report. So you communicate that there is a possibility that the invention may not be granted, or it could be a neutral report. The neutral report is where there is a fair chance that the invention can be granted. There could also be some objections to it, where you could say a 50-50% chance of the invention getting granted. Now, in the report, you would also you would give a patentability report if the client insists on it, and the patentability report will normally consider or have a detailed description on delete last few words. The patentability criteria will delete last few words. The patentability report will have a brief description on novelty, inventive step, and industrial application. It would also have some information about exceptions to patentability to the extent they are relevant. Importance of search. A patentability search allows you to identify the white spaces where you can patent. It helps you to avoid potential offers objections which can come in the future, and also it helps you to understand the field, which helps you to prepare the patent specification. We have already covered that there are inputs that a patent agent would get from the patentability report, which could be used. In the next lecture, we will see what is a patentability search, and the following lectures will discuss the details about patentability search.